Hi. Today I'm gonna talk about the didgeridoos. Someone these days just asked me about the circular breathing technique. So I think that's a pretty nice question. So I'm doing this tutorial, whatever. I'm doing on English because I think it's really nice question and a lot of you are playing didgeridoos and it's a nice instrument, so I prefer to do it just in English just to share on these things. Uh, so about history of didgeridoos and these things, uh, it's really an ancient instrument. So it was played really on its player on traditional music on Australia, not here. But I think the idea of playing with traditional Galician, Celtic, Scandinavian, that is, they always have some kind of drums in the music. It's really nice thing because I mean for the drums, the didgeridoos they sound like just a drum, so I think they really passed well with Celtic music because of this thing. So mostly I used to play whenever it's possible with traditional musicians, and I think it's nice idea to share, to play the both together. Uh, First time I met Didgeridoo was a lot of years ago, Copenhagen. I was basking there, and I met a guy from Madrid who was juggling with another guy, Christopher of the Walls. Uh, he's an American musician. He was just basking, touring, bike touring. In fact, I love bike touring, and he was the first one I saw doing like this. So I played with them just for a while, and so I was listening the instrument and I really love it. So after this, I meet another guy, Mike from South Africa. He was basking with Suso from Vigo. So with them both, they explain me how to do the circular breathing. So I was playing before this. I was playing with the didgeridoo for a while, so I was trying to make the sounds. It's not so much problem on making the sounds on the didgeridoo, but circular breathing it's really kind of some difficult thing if you don't know exactly how to make it. So they explain me with both the both. I mean, they explain me the thing and one from one, another part from one. Finally, I understood how it works. So mostly the thing that the air usually goes in all the wind wave instruments. It goes from diaphragm and it goes all the way to the throat, from the throat for the mouth. But we also have the mouth with the palate. We can close it, so we can use the air from the mouth. So on didgeridoos we use the two sources. So the thing that mostly we use the air from the lungs, and so we have more air and we can do rhythms and these things. But in the moment it ends, we use the air from the mouth, just closing the palate. I don't know. At the same time we take air through the nose. So the first steps to do these things, I'm gonna do it without the didgeridoo. I have here mine, so I'm gonna do it, but after. I think it's really important to get first the technique and after use it with the didgeridoo, but after understanding how it works. So the first thing is just to pump, to take air in the mouth. So after this, we have to breathe. So first, just like this. After take the air in the mouth, this is quite easy when playing. We just with the lips, we make them some more close, so we keep the air inside. So completely, this is not problem at all. So we keep the air inside and take air, just quite easy. So after this, when we are taking the air, I mean, this is just when playing. When we are taking the air with the nose, with the closed paladar and the mouth with all the air, we just make the air goes out from the mouth, making the sound, of course, just some quietly to keep the air inside the mouth the most time as possible. So, well, it's kind of funny make without the didgeridoo, but it's the best way I know just to explain it. Right now I made the both sources. So first with the air from the mouth, and after I continue taking out the air from the lungs. So that's it. It's really quite easy. So the thing after this, after understanding, if you can make the thing I was doing, you can make it. You can make it with the didgeridoo. So, well, this is mine. Sure, if you saw my videos, you saw it. It's a really nice one from Acacia. So this is the first sound, just with the lungs. So as you see, my mouths are bit full of air. I mean, after this, just close the palate and try to get the whole mouth with air. So if you do this, you get a lot of air and more time to use it just to make sound. So now it was quite big, and this is the best form. Take more time, make the sound. So I'm making the sound just with the mouth. That is there are another sounds from air when we play the didgeridoo. Well, no, I'm just just playing. So the first times you can do it just helping with the fingers. So after this, you try to combine the both. Well, that's the thing. I'm making a plain sound with the drum, so it sounds like there is a change of sound with the two sources. If it's with the lungs, it sounds like plain, and when using the air from the mouth, it sounds like different. In the moment it changes, it closes the paladar and goes the air from the mouth. This is normal because the DJ is just sounding like plain in this moment. So if you want to hide this thing, the first thing you have to do is just make rhythms without the circular breathing. So that's that way. That's just one rhythm. There's fucking lot of rhythms, so you can do whatever you want. But the thing is just make a rhythm, so have cuts in the middle. So when you are making this, in the middle of the time, you do the circular breathing. So if it's well done, nobody's realized that you are taking air and you are taking out the air from the mouth. I think that's it on circular breathing. Well, it's quite easy to me because I'm used to do it and I play for a few years. It's not easy when you are learning, so it's needed. At least the way I did, I was playing just for a month, all the days, just to learn how the muscles, how the lips works. They need some strength, and they are not used to use it, so it's quite important to get a lot of strength on the lips to get the sounds to play this. Well, I think on circular thing that's it. Another thing when playing the reduce is just the sounds. There is different sounds when playing. The usual is just the drum with from the lungs, just kind of relax the lips and make the sound go out. But at the same time, it's possible to make sounds with the strings, with the vocal strings, vocal cords, vocal strings. So it's possible to get two different sounds at the same time. The sound from the wood, just the air, but the DJ makes the sound, the note of the DJ itself, and at the same time a sound that is coming from inside. So this sound is possible to change. It's kind of singing, something like this. It's not needed just to sing quite loud and these things, just make a sound from inside, like something like this. Sometimes I just make changing the sounds. It's needed to also listen the pipe. So the note from the pipe is gonna be one note always the same. So the best thing is just make the chords the related, the note with the notes related to the pipe. That's it. Well, sometimes it's better just to do it low, not quite big sound, because it's gonna stop all the sound from the pipe, from the DJ. I mean, but it depends the way you are playing the moment. I mean, that's if you are playing just rhythms, it's easy to make lower sounds. If you are playing like quite relaxed thing in the moment, maybe it's better sing a bit louder, just in the moment. Well, just like this. So, what I was doing. At the same time, you can make the rhythms, but just making the sound like this. After this, there is another sounds. Well, I start to make this one like the singing because from the guy I say from Suso, I learned about kind of screaming in the time it's playing. I don't do it so well. I don't like to do like this because it's kind of something like this when singing, when playing. I mean. Like this. I don't do this part so well, so I used to use just the two techniques I said before. Well, so that's it. If you like it, like, that's the first tutorial ever. Like, subscribe, it's okay. So I hope you enjoyed and learn make the circular breathing and also sounds and these things. Bye.